Hi everyone, my name is Varvi and today I'm going to show you how to do your own hair at home when you have really short hair. This video is especially for older ladies who having their hair done and they put the rollers on, and I just want to show you some tips and how to make it last and how to do it yourself. Okay, so what you're going to need is we need a brush depending how short your hair is. Like, you don't want to have like a brush that it's too thick, because it wouldn't do the twist, like the hair wouldn't go under. These are the two sizes that I would use for my hair. Okay, and we will use rollers, again depending on the size. And we're gonna need a back combing brush and a clip and a few smaller clips to put them on top of the rollers. I'm going to show you, of course, in case of some hair like coming out of it and you want to just put them back in. Okay, so the most important thing when we talk about hair that we want to last is we need to make sure that the hair has hold. This is the way that the hair is going to last. This is the only way. So I just freshly washed my hair, which means that it's really soft. So I need to kind of like create a little bit of thicker effect to create more texture, and we need to add a few products. Okay, so obviously I'm going to use some products that you might not have, or just use whatever you have, and let's make this work. So I'm going to start with Natulic hair mousse. Is a volume shaped mousse. So this is a quite thick and concentrate mousse, so I don't need too much. You will feel if the hair is still too soft, depending on how much you put on. If the hair feels too soft, once you do the first section, it means that the hair needs a little bit more product. And every time you put the product on, you can always apply a tiny bit more, because the key is for this to last, right? And especially because the hair growth, most of the people, the hair falls towards this direction. So if I want something that it's a little bit bouncier, we need to make sure that it's not gonna go down, it's gonna stay up there. Okay, right, so I'll put my mousse already, and I'll put a little bit of heat protection spray, which is also the key. I'm using Natulic Heat and Sun. So I'm just starting a little bit, because adding heat to the hair can cause dryness and damage, and we don't want that. We just want to have nice hair. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing the back section, right? So you can use like any brush or any sectioning. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? I'm just going to put that back there. I'm going to get my hair dryer, and I'm going to see how this first section feels. I'm going to start with my medium brush, and you will go one moment. Okay, so we will go under. The key is for the roots to dry first. But you see, I'm not really touching the brush, I'm not touching the hair, because the air is going to dry and it's going to give the shape that you want. So just make sure that the roots are dry, instead of, you know, have like wet roots and then the ends are dry and then the hair is going to go down anyway. Okay, so you see I created already the shape, which is great. It doesn't feel too soft, and it doesn't feel too you know, like it has a lot of product in. So I'm going to keep it as it is for now. I'm going to put the medium rollers, which like this is smaller, so I think that's too small for the length of that section. So I'm just going to put this one. And the good thing with these rollers is that it's just so easy to place them. You just put it there, look, and it just sits. Okay, so I'm going to continue with my other section. I'm going to use my other hand, see what works best for you. I want you to be really patient with this. It's not something that you do every day, okay? The more you do it, the better results you're gonna have. Trust me on this. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to move to my next section. Oops. Right, for the bits around the front, I want them to go towards, to go backwards. So I'm going to start with this section like this, diagonal back. And then I will go all the way that way. So... Remember, the key is for the ends, the tips of the hair, go around the brush. So make sure when you put the hair dryer that you do this, you rolling it like this, and then you're gonna have this. So this is brilliant. So I'm gonna put another one there. Nice and tidy. And then I'm going to continue to the back. This section I go like this. Okay, and then I'm at the back. Doing the back section is a little bit like always use a mirror. Like try and work around this angle. I know it's not really easy, this angle here, but roughly feel that the hair is getting drier. Okay. I'm going to do this side. Sorry. This is the one away from the face, the section. Perfect. That is this one. Sometimes, you know, like your hairdresser won't be available, or you're going to be on holiday, or you're going to have a last minute special occasion, and you just want to make sure that you have the right tools and you know how to do this on your own. Okay, so I'm going to do the front bit. So okay, so the front bit is going to go backwards. If you feel that the section is too big, too wide, you can always like add 2 rollers. I rushed it a little bit here, but there you go, that way. And I'm going to put a tiny little clip there, okay, and I will put this one here. There it is. Okay, the front bit is down there. I'm putting a tiny bit of hairspray because these are the ones that I really want them to stay there, nice and bouncy. Okay, and then we've got, so all the top section, this area, is going all backwards. And I'm only showing it this way because for the people who want to have it like this. I'm going to show you how you can have a fringe that is volumized, but like kind of like swept to the side as well. Bear with me. I need a haircut, so my hair is quite thick at the moment. I haven't had a haircut in a while, so I'm hopefully getting it, having it cut this weekend. So my hair is a little bit too heavy. Okay, so that's down there, and then it's this section, and then it's done. I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes to cool down because that's really important, and then I'm going to show you to the next video of how you backcomb it and set it, okay? Okay. Okay, that's all set. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray everything a little bit to help the hair set just a little bit. I know all the ladies like Elnet, and I do like it. I just think it's really strong, the smell of it. So I use at the moment a little bit of Elnet. You can use any hairspray that you have at home, and I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay.